One thing I want to make abundantly clear, this situation is serious. I've had celebrities, executives, multimillionaires, socialites, people of well-established affluence be targeted individuals in situations like cyber exploitation campaigns, which makes them feel as if they are losing their center. So before you make judgment, cast your vote about somebody's stability, I need you to understand that when somebody undergoes a cyber exploitation campaign, some of them are very technical, some of them are very real, some of them are very layered. They have multiple layers of exploitation contained inside the exploitation package. And what does that mean? Electronics, cell phones, home alarms, things at their windows, razors, lasers, things that are making them feel crazy. It all comes into one culminated package. These exploitation kits are propagated by people who have funds, people who have been hired to exploit them for whatever reason. Now, one of the core reasons that we've discovered with a lot of our clients, they've had one similarity. A lot of them have connections to, associations with, significant amount of money, business deals like mergers and acquisitions, or if they were to be committed or have a 51-50 situation, then their sanity would be called into question and the validity of the contracts, the constructs, or the programs that they're involved with would be null and void. Remember this on your journey. If you have a situation, this is what we do. Yeah.